You guys want to hear a funny joke my grandpa told me? No. Okay, so this family walks into a talent agency. It's a mother, father, their son and daughter, and a little baby. The father says to the talent agent, "Sir, our family has an amazing act. We know if you would let us perform it for you, you would want to sign us." And the talent agent says, "Sorry, we don't sign family acts. They're too cutesy." But then the mother goes, "Please, sir, if you just give us 2 minutes, we know you'll like our act." So the talent agent says, "All right, you've got 2 minutes." The family jumps right into it. The mother smiles and points to the son, who hits play on a boombox. Thrilling circus music starts to play as the father spins his daughter around, bends her over, lifts up her skirt, and starts licking her asshole. What? Then the son lays down on the floor and opens his mouth, and the mother tears off tearaway pants, squats down over his face, and starts shitting all over him. Dude! Hold on. The father grabs the baby, takes off his diaper, and starts sucking his cock, right? While the son, still with his mother's shit in his mouth, goes over and licks the baby's tiny little balls. Dude. Hold on, Cop. Now the mother lays down on her back on the floor while the daughter gets up high on a chair and starts pissing all over. Then the father and son take the baby and start stuffing it head first back into the mother's vagina, while the daughter's piss rains down on all of them. Dude, just stop. Hold on, Cap. They get the baby halfway in so that just his legs are sticking out, all kicking and flailing around. The son takes some other shit out of his mouth and starts rubbing it all over everyone, while the father sticks his cock in the baby's asshole and fucks it while it's still inside the mother, until he comes all over the baby, the wife, and the son, and the daughter.
Cartman, I don't want to...
Cop! Will you hold on, please? Then the father gets up and says, "And now for our impersonation of the victims of 9/11. And the whole family starts running around the room, screaming and laughing with their dicks and titties all flapping around, covered with shit and piss and cum, going, "Ah! Ah! The baby's coming down! Help!" And finally, the family runs back to the center of the room and goes, "Ta-da!" And the talent agent, he just sits there for the longest time. And finally he says, "Jesus, that's a hell of an act. What do you call it?" And the father says, "The Aristocrats."
I don't get it.
Neither do I.